What's up, everybody? Thanks for watching. So, I want to go ahead and talk about something that's kind of a hot topic without it being a hot topic because it's usually probably my most commented thing, and that's my teeth, okay? Just so you all know, it's not offensive. I don't mean to sound like I'm snapping at you if I go ahead and comment back, but honestly, I really have heard it before. Okay, so I had an open invitation. I really want everybody to take advantage of it. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and talk about it for a minute, okay? I don't do drugs. This is not caused by drugs, okay? I also don't drink alcohol. Very, very rarely will I have a beer, all right? And that's usually when I'm rowing my raft. And it's because I'm rowing, okay? But other than that, this is dental related. I had a compound put on my teeth that was supposed to stop the cavities while I was having dental work done to fix my smile. And it actually kind of reacted in a negative way and started causing everything to accelerate. So, I really want to know, comment down below, okay? What would you do if you had almost zero money to use towards your teeth? How would you get them fixed? And how would you feel? Okay? Now, this is not a boo-hoo video for me. This is me asking everyone that watches my channel, whether you're subscribed or not, what would you do and how would you go about it if you had a smile like mine and didn't have the ability to get anything done? On top of that, I've been to multiple dentists, probably about 15, okay? And right now I'm looking at full dentures or a partial denture if I'm lucky, okay? Or full-blown implants. The problem is they'll have to recoat all my existing teeth and then hope that that stays because of the enamel that has been basically decomposed off of them due to the solution that was put on my teeth. So, like I said, there is an open invitation out there. I don't take it personally, okay? It actually makes me smile. I appreciate honesty so much. So thank every single one of you that have had the nerve, regardless of how much you're criticized by others, to comment about my teeth, okay? Because that shows me you're a real person, all right? So, anyway, seriously though, a lot of dental work has been done and this is the end result. I'm not proud of it. I do live with it. I do want to do something about it. But in all honesty, I really don't have the ability to do anything about it. So do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, leave a like on it, share it with a friend. Don't forget that notification bell, okay? And that's about it. I've got a lot more cool stuff I'm going to be doing, but I figured I would go ahead and jump on here and tackle this topic just so that everybody knows that I'm not harshing on you directly and I don't take it personally, okay? I really do want to hear the best you can come up with, okay? Whether you want to form it as an insult or a joke, okay? Because I think it's awesome, all right? That's what freedom of speech is for, okay? So, let me know in the comments down below. What would you do and how would you go about it if you had a smile like mine, all right? So you guys take care. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time, all right? Peace, guys.